autoimmune disease, which affects my nervous system. My spinal cord is damaged from it. Many other aspects of my illness too. And it affects my mobility, makes me unsteady, wobbly. Sometimes I fall a bit. For me, I use 2 sticks to get around, and that's usually okay. I find that I get quite nervous these days going out and about because I face so much discrimination. What are my thoughts about autonomous vehicles? Before I was invited on the focus panel, I'd never given it a thought because my knowledge of them is very, very little. If it's totally electric, then it's saving on petrol for the environment and company. In terms of benefits for people, I can't see what the benefit is. I mean, I just don't know. How is it any different getting on a vehicle that's moving on its own? First thing I noticed was when the ramp was pulled down. That was quite nice. Using sticks, you're not worried about getting up onto a ledge, and there wasn't any sort of anything to hold on to if you needed it, although that's not such a problem for me. I liked the fact that it had seat belts, but then from that point on, I found the whole experience quite negative. Many aspects of it were inaccessible. For example, the stop button, which I hadn't even noticed were there until somebody pointed out were on the wall. You have to reach across the person next to you if you're not on the inside. From a safety point of view, is that compared to almost any public vehicle and car, where normally a seat has a headrest that's level with the top of your head and is soft material, this came down very, very low and it's rock hard. If I hadn't had this cushion with me to put behind me on that chair, I would have got off. I wouldn't have sat on it. And I think the seating is the major problem. So the way it is right now, I wouldn't want to go on the bus, really. I know from discussions today with everyone, a lot of us felt as disabled folk, you need a human being to assist with some people. Some people might need help getting on, getting off more than others. If that's not going to be on an autonomous vehicle, that makes it less accessible to some disabled people.